Welcome to UpBinger, the AI visibility and content intelligence platform that helps businesses get discovered across Google, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and other AI-powered search engines. But visibility doesn't stop at search. UpBinger also transforms your website and product content into engaging blogs, social media posts, carousels, reels, and AI-generated UGC videos, helping your brand stay active, consistent, and visible across every digital platform. In this complete walkthrough, we'll go from setting up your company profile to analyzing your website, publishing SEO blogs, generating social media content, creating AI UGC videos and product B-roll videos, setting up brand DNA, scheduling content, enabling Autopilot, and tracking your content performance. Once you log into UpBinger, you're greeted with your dashboard. This is your marketing command center where you can monitor website analyses, generated blogs, social posts, scheduled content, publishing tasks, and your overall marketing activity, all from one place. Before starting your website analysis, you'll first complete a quick company setup. Simply enter your website URL and click Verify. UpBinger's AI automatically scans your website and fetches your company information, including your business name, industry, description, branding details, products, and other relevant information. Take a moment to review everything that's been detected. If anything needs to be updated or corrected, you can edit it directly. Once everything looks accurate, click Start Analysis. Now the AI begins a comprehensive analysis of your website. UpBinger examines your website structure, pages, keyword coverage, competitors, search visibility, content quality, technical SEO, and AI discoverability across modern search platforms. Rather than generating a basic SEO report, UpBinger builds a complete AI-powered visibility strategy tailored specifically to your business, highlighting opportunities to improve rankings, increase authority, and grow your online presence. After the analysis is complete, you'll arrive at the analysis report. Here you'll find an executive summary explaining your website in plain language, highlighting your visibility score, biggest opportunities, quick wins, and the improvements that will have the greatest impact. Next, UpBinger discovers valuable keywords based on search intent, competition, and ranking opportunities. It automatically identifies your real competitors and compares your website against theirs to uncover valuable content opportunities. One of the most valuable features is content gaps. UpBinger identifies topics your competitors rank for but your website is missing. These become your next content opportunities, ensuring every article you publish has a clear SEO purpose. The SERP analysis explains why competitors rank higher by analyzing search intent, featured snippets, people also ask results, AI overviews, and authority signals. UpBinger also evaluates your answer engine optimization, or AEO, readiness. It checks whether your content is structured to appear in AI-generated answers by analyzing entities, structured data, semantic relevance, and question-based content. After completing the analysis, UpBinger automatically organizes your content strategy into intelligent topic clusters. Instead of random blog ideas, your content is grouped into logical content pillars that help build topical authority and improve long-term rankings. Before generating content, head over to the Configure section. Here you can personalize every aspect of your content by defining your preferred writing style, target audience, language, tone of voice, brand colors, call to actions, and other brand preferences. Every blog, social post, carousel, reel, and video generated by UpBinger automatically follows these settings, ensuring your content stays consistent with your brand identity. You can also configure your publishing preferences by connecting your website. Whether your website is built with WordPress, React, or a custom platform, UpBinger supports seamless publishing workflows. Once connected, approved content can be published immediately or scheduled automatically, eliminating manual uploads and simplifying your entire publishing process. Selecting any topic instantly generates a complete SEO and AEO optimized blog, including optimized headings, metadata, internal linking suggestions, keyword optimization, AI-generated featured images, and a well-structured article that's ready for review. Once your blog has been generated, it opens in UpBinger's built-in editor. You're never locked into AI-generated content. You can edit every part of the article manually, or let AI rewrite paragraphs, expand sections, shorten content, improve readability, optimize for SEO, or change the tone with a single click. Every AI-generated image can also be regenerated whenever you'd like a different style or visual. Continue refining both the content and images until everything perfectly matches your brand before publishing. Beyond publishing your blog, UpBinger makes it easy to repurpose your content into multiple marketing assets, helping you maximize the value of every article you create. Now let's move into UpBinger's AI-powered social and branding workspace. The Brand DNA feature automatically analyzes your website to understand your brand voice, messaging, products, services, target audience, colors, and visual identity. This creates a complete AI understanding of your business, ensuring every piece of content generated by UpBinger remains consistent with your brand. Once Brand DNA has been created, UpBinger automatically fetches your products and business information from your website. Simply select the product or service you'd like to promote. From there, UpBinger can instantly generate platform-specific social media posts, Instagram carousels, promotional graphics, captions, AI UGC videos, cinematic product B-roll videos, and other branded marketing assets, all tailored to your brand identity and optimized for each platform. Instead of creating content manually for every product, UpBinger transforms your existing products into ready-to-publish marketing campaigns in just a few clicks. UpBinger can generate AI UGC video scripts and creator-style videos that feel natural and authentic, making it easy to produce engaging promotional content without hiring creators or recording videos yourself. For product-based businesses, UpBinger creates cinematic AI B-roll videos directly from your product images. Static product photos are transformed into premium marketing videos that are perfect for social media, advertisements, product launches, and e-commerce listings. It also lets you publish your content directly to social media without leaving the platform. Simply connect your Instagram and Facebook accounts, and you're ready to manage your publishing workflow from one place. Once connected, you can publish carousels, images, videos, and AI-generated content directly to your social channels. The Publish queue helps you keep track of upcoming and published posts, ensuring your content goes live on schedule. The Insights section provides detailed performance analytics for your connected social accounts, allowing you to monitor engagement, reach, impressions, and overall content performance. This means you can create, publish, and measure your social media campaigns all from within UpBinger, without switching between multiple tools. Autopilot takes automation even further by building a complete monthly marketing strategy for your business. It intelligently decides which blogs to create, what social content to publish, which videos to generate, and when everything should go live. Instead of manually planning your content calendar, UpBinger continuously creates an AI-powered publishing schedule designed to improve your visibility and authority. After your content has been published, Visit Analytics helps you monitor its performance. Track website traffic, engagement, keyword visibility, and overall content growth to understand what's working and continuously improve your marketing strategy. With UpBinger, your entire marketing workflow is powered by AI. From analyzing your website and discovering growth opportunities to creating SEO blogs, generating social media content, producing AI UGC videos and cinematic product B-rolls, maintaining a consistent brand identity, scheduling content, automating your marketing with Autopilot, and tracking performance through detailed analytics. Everything you need to grow your online visibility is available in one unified platform. Thank you for watching this complete UpBinger tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments.